In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unpublish your GoDaddy website. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, go to your account dashboard so you can access your website tools. From there, look for the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is where GoDaddy manages website editing, publishing, and visibility settings. Inside Websites Plus Marketing, find the website that you want to take offline. If you have more than one website in your account, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. When you locate the right site, click Manage to open its control panel. After that, go to the Settings area for the website. This is where you can control key options related to how your site appears online. In the Settings menu, look for the section related to publishing, site visibility, or website status. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of GoDaddy, but you are looking for the option that controls whether the site is live to the public. When you find that setting, choose the option to unpublish the website or take the site offline. GoDaddy may show you a confirmation message before it completes the change. If that prompt appears, confirm that you want to continue. This step is important because it tells GoDaddy to remove public access to the website. Once you confirm the action, give GoDaddy a moment to process the request. In most cases, this happens quickly, but it can take a little time for the change to fully update across the platform. During this period, the website may still appear online for a short time, especially if your browser is showing a cached version. After waiting briefly, check that the website is no longer publicly accessible. You can do this by opening the site in a private or incognito browser window, or by refreshing the live URL after a few moments. If the unpublish action was successful, visitors should no longer be able to view the website online. If you need the site to go live again later, you can return to the same area in GoDaddy and republish it when you are ready. For now, your website should be offline and hidden from public view. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.